Welcome back to another episode of AmTech TV. Today we're going to be diving into a very interesting topic, which is our very own JA BizTown, located here at AmTech. What's up, guys? Welcome back to AmTech TV, and today we're going to be reviewing JA BizTown. Come on.
You're perfect. Giovanni. Oh no!
What?
Oh.
Go, please go. Please go. I'll do anything, bro. Please go.
JA BizTown brings fifth graders from local schools and gives them insight and education of real jobs in the real world.
Jobs such as being a mayor, a policeman, and even a car salesman are all available here. So, with that being said, let's dive into it.
Oh.
Let me get this black one right here, sir.
Sign your name right there.
Yes, sir.
All right. Alright, then plus $1 for taxes.
Alright, $1 for taxes.
Do you have the money for this?
Signature right there, that card's gonna be all yours.
Alrighty.
Alright, let's do business, sir. Sorry, can you tell me your name, please?
Tyler Tony,
All right, and what do you teach at AmTech?
the welding.
What do you think is the most important thing that these kids will take away from this class?
Just a new skill set, maybe a future career.
How long have you been welding yourself?
About 10 years.
That's perfect. Did you go to any universities or any schools?
I went to Tulsa Welding School right out of high school and then started working.
Okay, is there anything that you want to say for incoming welders or anybody wants to is interested in welding?
Just be ready to work hard. It's hard work. It's not easy work, but it's also really fun work and really rewarding.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.
My name is Angel Garcia. I take welding. I first took entrance when I watched TikToks about it, and I heard they make good money, so that's why I like it. Most challenges are just not giving up because it's hard work, and just be prepared to work. But right now, we're working on a trailer and a little bonfire thing for little bonfires on the weekends. But the best one, probably a flower we made for Valentine's Day. That's probably the best one. It'll get me certified, so once I get out of high school, I can get jobs and start working.
Okay. All right, then thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you.
My name is Eka. I take dental. I started off intro. Sorry, y'all. I was in intro to dental. We were messing with the dummy. His name is Dexter, and we just learned from him and have on hands-on experience. I said learning the tooth numbering is really helpful when you're going into your internship because you have to know the tooth numbering and stuff. I would say have good grades, attendance, and have your license to be an internship. I want to earn my RDA and then go to college and then maybe go into a 2-year dental hygienist program in AC.
You should go first.
Meeting.
Okay, you want me?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. My name's Janaya Mira.
And what do you take here at AmTech?
Dental. For now, we're doing sterilization. That's where everyone starts out. And so we just learn the instruments and package them and learn how to run them through the autoclave and stuff like that. And that's all we're doing right now. And basically we just watch and see what they do so that way we can get there later.
How did the dental professionals you work with support or guide you through your experience?
A lot of them they're just really close. And so like you just ask a lot of questions, and they're there to help you. So like at first it's scary, it's really scary, but you get comfortable and it becomes easier, and they're just there to help you, and they guide you with everything that you need. Well, after I graduate this year, I'll have my RDA, and I think I'll do my basics at AC, and then I don't know if I want to leave for college, but if I do, I want to go to Texas Tech.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much for taking the time to this interview.
You're welcome.
Personal projects. You either love them or hate them. For our next segment, we'll be getting into the behind the scenes of our AV2 class and their personal projects.
Walk with ya.
Yeah. I want to do that, so when we're shaking hands and we walk out together?
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
alone, by yourself, no motivation. Cause that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm hearing. These people, I don't think they care about you. I think they're using you.
I was also gonna say, like, whenever you walk out, I hold the camera in my hands and I walk.
Go back, yeah.
So I took a trip to the welding class the other day, and I saw that they were working on something. There was a lot of sparks involved, and I thought it would make a really cool picture. I honestly didn't think the sparks would show up on camera, but they did. So I saw this guy welding, and it was kind of in a dimmer lit area of the room. And with all the sparks flying, it made everything look kind of illuminated. It looked really cool. So I decided it would be a really good picture. And in all honesty, I thought they were gonna like catch me and make me put on like some sort of like protective headgear, but they didn't. So I just sat down, took a picture, and it turned out like this. And I really thought it looked cool.
And I'm rolling. Action! Hey, Miguel, pay attention.
It's called Mr. Magic.
Miguel, stop distracting Emily. It's gonna cut back to that same shot. Okay.
Alright,
now we need. Oh, okay. Never mind.
I got a question.
The audio's already on. Yeah.
What would be better?
Dean 1, take 2. Action.
Alright, so I have to be like facing upward from the ground.
Is that?
Not my stuff, mine anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
So can I just dump it all in?
I'll
You
do it.
actually take a.
I want you to recognize for a very brief moment how uniquely difficult Allison's journey through this year has been, and it's not your fault.
Oh my god, okay, 4 hours. We're doing that.
Wait, focus on my face.
I don't want it. Okay.
Yeah, I don't. Yes. And next time, make Cooper go by himself. Thank you. Bye.